advisor is no longer in the business, or you have not heard from him since last a year, or maybe he is no longer working in the same company, in insurance, 80% of advisors quit in first 2 years, whereas 60% advisors still quit in fifth year of service. If you are left out without advisor, what you can do still to save your policy? All right, start. So let's see what can be done if your advisor is no longer in the business. I see many people still buy from somebody known one just to help them finish their own targets for something. Come on, this is one of the reasons you don't find your advisor still lying up there. Probably he or she is not interested further or have no further interest left in the business. Many other reasons. Let's leave the reason behind and see what can be done. Number one thing which you will do is to find a credible advisor whom you can trust. When we say trust, yes, please do check their licenses. Are they authorized to conduct this profession services? Please check on thoroughly. Check the references, check the experience, and build the trust on somebody else whom you think and can service your policy. Number two, changing a policy service is as simple as just one letter. You can send a letter to insurance company stating that now I would like to move my policy servicing to a person working with X company with the immediate effect. Simple. You don't need to worry about the previous agent who was working in a different company and he doesn't want to deal with somebody else in his company previously. You can always do the changes whenever you want. Number three, this is a piece of advice I would give to you, that when you change an advisor, please do not do the immediate new business with them. Give little time, know each other a little bit more. Once you have known the person, you have built the trust over the period, and then probably start taking his advisors even more seriously, that whether you should be looking or changing things or changing funds in your policy or making any modification in your policy which you're looking for. I spoke about the myth when people say that I don't need any advisor. If it is just the term insurance policy, it's all about making payment. What advisor will do into that? I can make a direct payment and that's over. Let me ask you, would you like to continue to pay in an ATM machine and without knowing that how your family can access the money which you have deposited in the ATM machine? If you say yes, you're okay, let them figure out how to find out the money, because most of the time benefits are the one when you are not around. Do you want to leave them struggling, find out, figure out, I left some treasure for you? So having advisor always helps how soon the claim can be paid out, whether it's a living benefits or after one is gone. There are people who get stuck with the claim procedures. They don't know the procedure, or sometimes they just submit incomplete documentation. Sometimes claim takes from 3 months to 6 months also to pay it out. But if you have a knowledgeable advisor, it just can take only 5 to 7 working days to pay out the claim. And that's the time when your family need the money at the most. Hope this information was useful to you, and I continue to empower you with the knowledge which you need. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for continuous insight on insurance. See you.